something that won't let me forget the way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be doing a headband recap. If you want to know how to do a headband recap, let me know in the comment section and I'll do that for you. I didn't put the video of this one because I didn't find the video, because I had made the video a long time ago and I couldn't find it. So this is the hair I'll be using. I actually made this from an Xpression braiding hair. If you want to see a full video on this, how to achieve this hair, let me know in the comment section and I'll do it for you. Okay, I'll just go ahead and start crocheting the hair onto the cap. You have to crochet right up to where you have the band. I'm actually taking smaller pieces of the hair. You can take bigger pieces or any quantity that you want. It's just that I want the hair to be really full. That's why I'm taking smaller quantity. But if you don't want it full, you want to take larger quantity, then I'm not really spacing out the hair because I have a lot of it and I want everything in this way.
There's something that won't let me forget the way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips. I wore you like perfume. We were like no other, two hearts on the edge, but we went from lovers to just being friends. Played me like a song stuck in your head, but you still get my blood rushing. Dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let this old record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let this old record play. I know you see me cross the room, let's skip to the end. I wanna be what keeps you sleepless past 3 a.m. I know that we're toxic, but I like the thrill. I'd be 6 feet under if looks could kill. Let's go back to where it all began and get too close as fast as we can. Dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let this old record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let this old record play. I know this gets so complicated. You lose your mind just to change it, and tomorrow you'll regret it. But until the morning, dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let this old promise. Past 3 a.m. I know that we're toxic, but I like the thrill. I'd be 6 feet under. It looks good, kill. Let's go back to where it all began and get too close as fast as we can. Dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let the soul the record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let the soul the record play. I know this gets so complicated. You lose your mind just to change it, and tomorrow you'll regret it. But until the morning, dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let the soul the record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let the soul the record play.
Okay guys, when you get to where they attach the band, you want to crochet under the band, not on top of it.
There's something that won't let me forget the way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips. Were you like
Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. I want to thank you all for watching.
but we went from the
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. I want to thank you all for your support and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.